Did you know when death approaches, it begins at the feet? Gradually, the feet become lifeless. As the stillness spreads, a chill notices it creeping up the legs, leaving traces of memories in its wake. Time whispers tales of yesteryears, but with each tick, the weight of moments lost grows heavier. With every sunset, there is a beauty in goodbye, a reminder that life is fleeting yet precious. Each step forward is a dance with the present as the blossoms around whisper their secrets of resilience and transience. In that instant, time stands still, and the essence of existence is felt deeply through the fragility of a single bloom. As the day transitions into night, reflections on life's journey unfold, painting a picture of memories woven into the fabric of existence. In that moment, a gentle acceptance envelops the figure, lighting the path forward, even into the unknown. In the vastness of the night, a realization dawns. Every star is a memory shimmering brightly against the backdrop of life's tapestry. As the night deepens, a feeling of tranquility washes over, reminding us that even in the quiet moments, life continues to unfold beautifully. And then, eyes closed, breath held, life comes to an end, and a new journey begins. In the distance, the universe unfolds, inviting them to explore the endless possibilities that lie ahead. The figure takes a step forward, surrounded by light, embarking on this new adventure. As they traverse through this enchanting meadow, memories bloom around them like flowers, illuminating their path towards a bright horizon filled with hope and renewal. In this realm of memories, they reunite with loved ones enveloped in warmth and joy. Standing by a shimmering river, they sense the current of life's journey, beckoning them towards new adventures. They step onto a radiant path that glimmers with promise, surrounded by fantastical creatures and enchanting scenery. A spark of wonder lights their eyes as they embrace the magic of this extraordinary new life. Before them, a magnificent waterfall flows, signifying transformation and the beauty of change. With a heart full of joy, they leap into the air, embracing the freedom and exhilaration of this new journey. Today is the day of repentance. There is no guarantee for tomorrow. In the gentle glow of the candlelight, a group of friends meets to share their burdens, hoping to lighten their hearts together. With trembling hands, she reveals her fears and dreams to her friends, longing for understanding and connection in a world that often feels isolating. As the fire flickers, they share laughter and stories, forging bonds that promise to support them through life's challenges and uncertainties. As dusk settles, one of them steps outside to embrace the twilight, ready to let go of the past and welcome the promise of new beginnings. Under the vast expanse of the night sky, they realize that every star represents a dream waiting to be fulfilled, igniting their passion for what lies ahead. As the dawn breaks, they step into the new day with renewed determination, embracing the challenges and opportunities that come their way. Amidst the rush of city life, they feel a surge of motivation, ready to carve their path and make their mark on the world. In a vibrant classroom, they share ideas and support one another, knowing that education is a powerful tool for change and self-discovery.